feeling good, and we have a video bomb from the MVP to be.
Game in different ways with your defensive passing. Is that a focus for you tonight?
Yeah, just, I've been really working hard on my defense. And, I just try to come in and impact the game, not just scoring, but, making plays for my teammates and, working hard on defense.
All right, how about another look at KD's dance moves? And how about the focus by Lamb? Keeps answering the question. Thunder host Utah Sunday at 2. Back here in the 918, 66ers hosting Rio Grande Valley. Big night for Mustafa Shakur. Pretty drive right here in the lefty finish. Later it's Shakur, sharing and playing well with others. He finds rookie Grant Jarrett in the corner. He sticks the three. Shakur triple-double. 29 points, 11 rebounds, 10 assists. Sixers win big, 127-108.